If you have a 992 GT3, I need you to stop scrolling right now. I'm going to show you something you might be interested in. Check it out. All right, here at SSR Performance, we've got this beautiful SSR exhaust for your 992 GT3. High flow race cats, headers. This thing is beautiful, fully back purged, welded. You can check out those beautiful welds. It's available right now. So if you have a 992 GT3, you want it to sound crazy, we've got a couple options for you guys. If you want to go full stage 2 F1 style, we also have that option as well. Hit us up in the DM. You know we got you. These things are ready to go. First come, first serve. Let's do it.